Hello friends, welcome to episode 3 of my Ghibli jewellery mini-series. Porco Rosso is a Studio Ghibli movie that I discovered pretty late, much later indeed than Spirited Away or My Neighbor Totoro for instance, and I loved it. Anyway, Porco Rosso wouldn't be as iconic without his bright and flamboyant red plane, so let's get into it. Porco Rosso is a movie that draws inspiration from a watercolor manga Miyazaki created called The Age of the Flying Boat. This story set the foundations for the Studio Ghibli movie, which was initially intended to be a short in-flight film for Japan Airlines to entertain travelers with a light-hearted story. However, the Yugoslav War, which broke out in the early 1990s during the production of the movie, profoundly affected Hayao Miyazaki. This marked a significant turn in the direction the movie was taking because Miyazaki chose to use Porco Rosso as a way to condemn the war and incorporate somber themes such as personal disillusionment and the moral complexities of the conflict. This movie is considered to be one of Miyazaki's most personal creations since Porco Rosso sort of embodies or mirrors him and his beliefs. Porco Rosso is the Italian for red pig, and the main character is not a pig only because Miyazaki liked to draw this animal, but also because of the symbolism. Pigs are often seen as a symbol of stubbornness and being outsiders, which is in keeping with the famous quote, "I'd rather be a pig than a fascist." Miyazaki is using his character to speak his own voice, and this also echoes his disdain and aversion for his father's actions. Actually, during World War II, his father was running a company that produced rudders for fighter planes, and that led him to economically benefit from the war. With this line, Hayao Miyazaki probably wanted to express his rejection of oppressive ideologies, his commitment to personal integrity as an anti-war and anti-fascist, and to distance himself from his father's legacy while still expressing his passion for airplanes. Well friends, that is all for now. You can put a little pig or airplane in the comments if you enjoyed. Thank you very much for staying with me, and I will see you very soon. Sweet kisses.